CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include parking assist system, adaptive cruise control, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.